Hello, this is Chris at Dubicars.com, and this is a 2016 Mercedes-Benz AMG GTS for sale at Tesla Motors LLC. But this AMG GTS is like no other. You see, this one has a special body kit fitted to the exterior, and it comes with a muscular front bumper, larger wheel arches, new cuts in the bonnet for additional cooling, a ducktail rear spoiler, and new winglets to disrupt the air. Finished in grey, exterior features include lightweight alloys, parking sensors, rear camera, blind spot detection mirrors, and keyless entry. Inside, this sports car has room for two on the black and red leather seats. The exterior body kit has not made its way inside, so the interior is exactly like any other AMG GTS. This includes navigation, Bluetooth, media inputs, and much more. Power comes courtesy of a bi-turbo V8 4-litre petrol engine rated at 503 horsepower. Connected to a 7-speed auto-manual gearbox, the German car sprints from 0 to 100 in 3.8 seconds before hitting a top speed of 310 km an hour. This custom AMG GTS is for sale at Tesla Motors LLC. For more information, contact details and the price, see the description below.